Today in this video we're going to look at the best bread baking machines on the market. If you're interested in any of the products we talk about today, you can find the links down in the description below. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Cuisinart Bread Maker Machine. Enjoy the convenience of homemade bread with an automatic bread maker designed to simplify baking while delivering professional quality results. This versatile and compact machine offers a range of features, making it ideal for any kitchen. Its sleek vertical design, complete with a stainless steel exterior, saves counter space while allowing you to bake up to 2-pound loaves of delicious bread. The non-stick baking pan and removable kneading paddle ensure effortless cleanup, making baking as enjoyable as eating the results. With 12 pre-programmed menu options, this bread maker caters to a variety of preferences and dietary needs. Create everything from fluffy white loaves and hearty whole grain breads to gluten-free options, artisan delights, and even jams and sauces. Customize your loaves with 3 crust shades, light, medium, or dark, to suit your taste. The foolproof recipes included will inspire you to think beyond bread, crafting cakes, pizza dough, and other treats for your family and friends. Designed with user convenience in mind, the bread maker features an easy-to-read LCD display that shows the countdown timer, current cycle, and selected settings. A lid with a viewing window and interior light lets you monitor your bread as it bakes, ensuring perfect results every time. For added flexibility, the 13-hour delay start timer allows you to wake up to the comforting aroma of freshly baked bread or have a warm loaf ready just in time for dinner. Health-conscious bakers will appreciate the ability to incorporate whole grains, nuts, and dried fruits into their recipes, creating nutrient-rich loaves tailored to their lifestyle. Whether you're a novice baker or a seasoned pro, this bread maker combines convenience, versatility, and superior technology to deliver crusty, flavorful loaves with ease. Transform your kitchen into a bakery and treat your loved ones to the irresistible taste of homemade bread, made effortlessly with this essential appliance. Number 2. KBS Pro Stainless Steel Bread Machine. Elevate your home baking experience with a stainless steel bread machine that combines versatility, health-conscious design, and advanced technology. With a 2-pound capacity and 17 preset programs, this appliance is perfect for creating a variety of delicious homemade treats, including French bread, whole wheat loaves, gluten-free options, pizza dough, jams, yogurt, cakes, and more. The quick bake setting allows you to produce fresh bread in under 1.5 hours, while 3 customizable crust settings, light, medium, and dark, enable you to tailor each loaf to your preferences. The innovative ceramic pan ensures even baking and promotes healthier results, being free from chemicals like BPA, Teflon, and PTFE. This non-stick pan is not only safer for your family but also easy to clean, making it an essential addition to any kitchen. Powered by a 710-watt motor, the bread machine kneads dough efficiently and quietly, with noise levels below 40 decibels, ensuring it won't disrupt your day or your sleep. The built-in overheating protection adds durability and prolongs the appliance's lifespan. Convenience is a priority with this bread maker. The detachable fruit and nut dispenser automatically adds ingredients at the perfect time, eliminating guesswork. The 15-hour delay timer lets you wake up to the aroma of freshly baked bread, while the 1-hour keep warm function ensures your bread remains fresh until you're ready to enjoy it. A 15-minute power interruption recovery feature further enhances reliability, ensuring consistent results even in the face of unexpected outages. The intuitive digital touch panel makes operation effortless, allowing you to select your desired settings with ease. The stainless steel construction is not only durable but also heat-resistant, ensuring your bread is baked to perfection with advanced 360-degree surround baking technology. This results in fluffier bread, thinner crusts, and a beautifully even color. Complete with thoughtful accessories, including a ceramic pan, 2 paddles, a kitchen glove, measuring tools, a hook, and a recipe book. This bread maker ensures a superior and user-friendly baking experience. Number 3. Elite Gourmet Programmable Bread Maker. Bring the joy of fresh, homemade artisan bread to your kitchen with a bread maker that simplifies the entire process. From kneading and rising to baking, this versatile appliance does it all, allowing you to create preservative-free bread effortlessly. With the capacity to bake up to a 2-pound loaf and options for 1 pound and 1.5 pound sizes, it's perfect for households of all sizes. Featuring 19 pre-programmed preset functions, this bread machine caters to a wide variety of recipes, including basic white bread, French bread, gluten-free options, pizza dough, and even sweet treats like cakes and jam. Designed with convenience in mind, it includes a 15-hour delay timer, enabling you to wake up to the enticing aroma of freshly baked bread. The 60-minute keep warm function ensures your bread stays at the perfect temperature until you're ready to enjoy it. Whether you're preparing dinner rolls, focaccia, or cinnamon buns, this bread maker mixes and prepares dough for a range of culinary creations, saving you time and effort. Perfect for both beginners and experienced bakers, this bread maker is a true multitasker that simplifies meal prep. Use it to explore new recipes, from gluten-free bread to yogurt and jam, expanding your culinary repertoire with ease. Backed by a trusted brand with over 40 years of experience, it combines quality, style, and affordability. With included instructions, tips, and recipes, this bread maker is your go-to appliance for creating delicious homemade bread and more, saving time and money while delivering fresh, flavorful results every time.